Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so I started to do these nails off camera and I was like, maybe you might want to see how beautiful these gel paints really are. So thank you so much, Madam Glam, first of all, because they so kindly sent out the black and the white 3D embossing gel to test and try out. And also this rose gold gel paint, which is so beautiful. And I have that down, oh gosh, don't start, on the nails. Well, I will have it down on all the nails. So that's what I'm going to do. But I just wanted to show you. Oops. Oh, look at that. She's so beautiful. So I'm going to get it all over the nails. I have not used any base coat. But if you were doing this on your own nails, I would say definitely use some base coat, as you should, before putting them on. But this is a gel paint, so it moves definitely differently to a normal gel polish. And you could actually, if you'd had your base coat on and then you applied it, that was you. You don't have to do anything else. If you would like added shine, then yes, you can go ahead and, you know, top coat, but you actually don't need to top coat these beautiful babies. So this is going to be the pinky. So I'm just going to put some of that gel on. I'm going to use my Madam Glam dotting tool. It is quite small. So all I'm going to do is make sure I've got nothing on there. Just do and it's really just like swirls when you think about it. The possibilities are endless with this kind of embossing gel. Now that is an unintentional heart, so don't want it to look weird. And just so I'm just going to go ahead and use my Madam Glam No Wipe top coat to top coat everything. And oh wow, that rose gold, look at how stark it looks with black. I mean, it's such a beautiful color. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video testing out the 3D emboss gel from Madam Glam, and also this rose gold gel paint, which is absolutely stunning. I think together they look absolutely beautiful. And I added some stickers and a few rhinestones, nothing too much. because I was trying to keep it quite beginner friendly. So that part is optional. You could literally just leave it with or without the stickers, or with or without the bling. It's absolutely gorgeous either way. So that embossing gel is everything. You can do so much. This is just one thing you can do. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I still have a giveaway open on my channel, and part of it is sponsored by Madam Glam, so definitely check it out, enter. I will link that video in the description box to this video. All right, guys, bye. Thank you.